Hey guys, welcome to another one of Mars Tips. So I am having another alcoholic creation. So one thing is that I like sweet wine, and I am in a wine club, and well, actually I'm not in a wine club anymore, but I have a lot of wine because I was in a wine club. And a lot of times the red wine is not fruity. It's not sweet. So what I decided to do is sweeten my wine. I got this idea from watching an old a TV show, and it showed them drinking champagne, and they had like a sugar cube in a spoon, and they poured the champagne over the sugar cube in the spoon into the glass, and it sweetened the champagne as it went down into the glass. So this is where I got this idea, and so I'm not using a sugar cube, but I suppose I could, that or simple syrup or something like that. But I am using stevia, like I used in another video that I made about sweetening an alcoholic beverage. So let me show you. I'm drinking the last of my wine, and I thought I would share. So here is, I have my wine glass, and I have this wine. It's not sweet, but it's good. It tastes good. And then this is some mineral water from Aldi. I love Aldi, and so this is pretty inexpensive. And so this is my stevia sweetener. So I'm just going to put one squirt in because this can be pretty sweet. So I'm putting one squirt in my glass. See if you can see that. One squirt. I think I put more than one squirt. It's going to be way sweet. I was looking at the camera instead of in the glass. So you can see, yeah, it's a good amount in there. I think I held it too long. And trying to open my wine, if I can, with one hand. I don't think I'm going to be able to open my sparkling water with one hand. So I'm going to put the wine in here. And I pour the wine first because that way I can see how much wine I'm actually drinking. If I pour the sparkling water first, oh, okay, here we go, easy to open. If I pour the sparkling water first, I find that sometimes I pour too much wine if I don't want that much wine. So this way I can see how much wine I'm drinking. So this is going to make it like a spritzer. It's going to make it fizzy, except it's a little healthier than seltzer water. And so normally pouring the water in there mixes everything up, and I don't need a spoon. So let's see if it is not too sweet. I'll let you know. It's actually perfect. And I think I had my sparkling water, my mineral water, in there too long. Actually, the top wasn't on all the way, so it doesn't have any fizz anymore. But I think I have another bottle of mineral water, so I'm going to pour that in there because there's no fizz. Yeah, I had the top. I didn't screw the top on all the way. So a lesson to you: if you are not using all of your sparkling water, make sure you put the top on tight. Otherwise, it's not going to have bubbles the next time you want to drink it. So yeah, I'm sure everybody knows that, but I did that by mistake. I did have another bottle of the sparkling mineral water, and now you can see the bubbles in my wine. So just letting you know, that is a tip to sweeten your wine if you like sweet wine, and have a sweetened wine spritzer. And that's it. So you could use simple syrup, or you could use a sugar cube to sweeten your wine if you like sweet wine and the wine is not sweet. So that is what I do. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for tuning into another one of Mars Tips. Bye.